Read the passage. I always help my grandma, City, make seafrasts for holiday celebrations. Seafrasts are meat pies. We make them with meat, spices, and pine nuts. The meat usually is beef or lamb. First, we put a spice blend, baharat, in the meat and mix it together. The spices are cardamom, cinnamon, paprika, coriander, black pepper, clove, and nutmeg. Next, we make the pie crust from a dough of flour, yeast, and yogurt. Then, we add the meat to the pie crust. After that, we put it in the oven to bake. Finally, we take it out of the oven and eat it together. It makes me feel proud and happy to make this with my city. I want to teach this to my children and grandchildren too.